What?
Hi! Put your Pringles down.
Okay.
I accept. Let's see. This fidget toy. See? You've got buttons in front of you.
Oh, okay. I think I get it.
That's a no from me. Boo. Well, how about this rubber chicken? Or a sword?
Okay, this time. A bunch of poppets! Nope. I'm gonna need more than that.
More, huh? You said you want more?
Why do I get a bad feeling about this? Ouch! Ow! Poppets! It's raining poppets! Ouch! Too bright! Hey, where am I? Whoa! Let's see. Should I start left or right? Right it is! Huh. It's like a poppet bag. Still fun, of course. I could pop all day long. Hey, wait. I think there's something inside. No way! More poppets! Oh, it's another poppet bag. Back to doing some popping. No way. There's something inside this one, too. I'll just open it and see. Another poppet bag! This one's like a pencil bag. Pop, pop, pop. Popping all day long. Oh my gosh. No way. Just no way. How can there still be more inside? Wait, what's this? Not a poppet. Oh, it's a fidget tube. You've gotta be kidding me. There's more inside here, too. It's like a spyglass or something. Look! This one has something, too. I can't believe this just keeps going and going. This one is so tiny. I've got a great idea. Time to start stretching these out. The purple one is so long. Okay, that's like 8 fidget toys. Yes! Hey! Right. What's next? How about some Play-Doh? Where should I start? Yep, this is the one. I'll just pop this top and take out the dough. Alright, it's got good stretching. And now I can mash it back together. Just squish it with all my fingers. I love how it feels in my hands. I feel like this needs something more, though. Wait, of course! A Play-Doh machine! Are you ready to be transformed, dough? Levers up, bowl is ready, dough is inside. Time to start pressing this Play-Doh! Ooh, look at that! It's coming out in ribbons! This is awesome! I'm doing the other colors and shapes. Whoa, look at this tube one with mixed colors! Amazing! Anyone want some pasta noodles? I've got spaghetti! Speaking of spaghetti, looks like it's lunchtime. Especially since I gave away my Pringles. Ha! Fooled you! What's next? What's next? Anything from this angle? Yep, I see it. Phew! Alright, get over here. I love these guys. Are you ready to show off? Let's go! Yeah, look at that light show! Awesome! Okay, well, now I'm kinda bored though. Whoa! I've got an idea! Yep, this'll totally work. There they go! They're tumbling! It's a race between pink and green! Pink is totally in the lead! Wow! It won! Gotta grab them before they fall off the table. Oops! Oh no! I've lost control of them! You know what time it is? That's right. It's slime time! Wow, this slime is awesome. It's kinda foamy. Also, it's pretty, too. Time to start blending these colors together. Hey wait! I totally forgot about the cover! The cover has little sprinkles on it. Gonna just add them to the slime. And back to mixing this all together. Whoa, wait. I'm a total genius! Why play with a little slime when I've got entire buckets? More is always better. Time to dig in. Wow! Look how far down my hand can sink. Time to do that with my other hand, too. Phew! I got both slimes out of their buckets. I'll just add them to my first slime pile. Can't forget the last one. And there! That's a lot of slime I've got to mix together. Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. This is the most I've ever played with. Wait a second. Something's wrong. Oh no! The slime has trapped my hands! Phew! I'm free. That was a close one. I think that's enough slime. Fidget spinners are so 3 years ago. Ooh, but this spinner has an Among Us theme. Much cooler. I love playing red. Wow, it's really spinning fast now. And it's gone back to being boring again. Okay, I've gotta try to do something else with it. Here are the instructions. Looks like I need a spinner and a phone. Well, I've got both of those, so let's give this a try. Time to just do some filming. Sweet! Okay, let's check out the results. Yeah, it turned out great! Look at Red run! Huh, I should send this to Mandy. She'll get a kick out of it. I was right! She loved it! I'll close my eyes and pick one at random this time. Let's see what I've got. Oh, this thing. Well, might as well mess around with it. The nails go up and down. Gives me a good idea. I'll put it on its side so the nails stay in place. And now to introduce my finger. I'll just poke 2 spots. Kinda looks like eyes. Next up, are you ready, little ducky? Ha! Yes! It made a ducky imprint! Ooh, maybe I should try this fidget spinner again. I'll just push it right on in. You know what? I need to go bigger. Like rubber burger bigger. Oh my gosh, look how great that looks. What else can I use? Oh, I know. It's face imprint time! Cool, it's me. I'll just leave it right there. Oh, I guess that's it for this one. What to do next? Nothing here. And nothing over here. Huh, there's only poppets now. What is this? And how did it just float through the air like that? Whoa! Look at those amazing lights! Oh my gosh! It's totally floating in my hand! Oh! It got away! Great! Now I've gotta go catch it! Get back here! I'm supposed to be fidgety, not sprinting. Ugh! Now it's just mocking me! Yes! I finally caught it! But now I'm done playing with it. I feel like I may be running out of toys. Oh, what's this over here? Haven't checked it out yet. I do like his eyes. Alright then. Maybe I'll just stretch out his face a bit. And then give him a little twist. This could work. It needs even more stretching though. I don't know. I feel like this needs something more. Otherwise, it's just like the slime. I know! I'll give him a magnet! This one should work. Here you go, little guy. Yes! Look at him go! He's eating the magnet! Nom nom! He's really going to town! He really stuffed his face. Okay, well, excuse me, little guy. I'm gonna need this back. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna give you a little squish. There! He's nice and flat. And here's the magnet back. Yes! It's sinking right into him! So cool! He was a cool little dude. I wonder if magnets taste good? Who knows? Huh. Look at this weird thing. It's got a bunch of buttons on it. They're fun to press. Oh, I see. I can rotate it and there's other things on the other sides. Here are some dials. What else is there? Oh, I kinda like these little sliders. I'll slide them up and then back down again. Look over here. It's a little switch. On and off. On and off. What's this little knobby? Oh, it's kind of bouncy and springy. Nice! I like how this feels under my fingers. Ooh, even better on my face. Like a massage. Alright, what else does this gadget have? A little hoop so you can hang it on things. You know what? I think I'm gonna take this one with me. I'll just add it to my keychain. There we go. Now I can bring it with me wherever I go. And well, I guess that's it. Which of these fidget toys is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.